This week, Rob left me alone in the shop and I got to build a fun little herb garden. Put down your tools, guys, it's time for a make or break. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Sarah, and while Rob was away this week on family vacation, I got to play in the shop by myself, and I decided to build this fun little herb garden. Here's how it went. So this was a fun little build for me. While Rob was away with his family, I got the entire shop to myself, so I decided to build this planter kit that came from our friends at Hart. Upon opening the box, I found everything I needed to get started, so that's exactly what I did. First, I grabbed the sander and started sanding down some of the rougher edges. Now, this didn't take very long because I wanted to keep it more rustic looking. I took the bottom piece and drilled several holes into it so that the water can drain, which is sort of important because if not, you will most definitely drown all of your plants. I unfortunately know this from many plant casualties in my lifetime. I'm learning. Next, I lined up the side pieces to the end pieces and pre-drilled the holes I would need to assemble everything. Then I simply screwed it all together. With the box frame ready to go, all I had to do was flip it upside down and carefully insert that bottom piece with the drainage holes in them. With a little effort, I pushed it into the frame about an inch or so that while it is draining, the water won't just sit on the wood. That's it! All I had to do now was get some potting soil and plant the instructions that came with the box. Yeah, this was cool. They had seeds embedded in them, so once I planted it, all I had to do was wait for them to grow. However, that takes way too long, and I have no patience, so I pulled a Rob and just snapped them into place. My kind of gardening. So yeah, Hart sent us that as an invitation to an outdoor power equipment event that they're having this coming week, and Rob and I get to attend. I'm so excited about this because that means we get to see a whole bunch of new tools coming from Hart. And we'll be sure to share all of that with you, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out. Speaking of, I want to thank Hart for sponsoring this episode and reminding us we can build anything we can imagine if we do it with Hart. All right guys, break's over. Go make something.